Hello there, welcome to Synconics. Today in this video I want to show you Xero Connector, our product Xero Connector, and we will divide this video into three parts. In first part we will show you how to configure the Xero related functionality, the Xero related configurations part into our Odoo account. In the second video we will show you the details about the import operations, and in the third video we will show you the details for export operations. Okay, all right, so starting with the Xero configurations part, so I have gone already into the invoicing part, as you can see. Then I will go to the configurations and you can see the Xero accounts menu over here. So we will go to the Xero accounts, right, and you can see that I have already configured one account. I will show you the detailing part of that, how this kind of configurations we have made over here, right. So we will write this name like the Xero account or whatever you want, right. We will define that for which company actually we are going to configure this account, all right. And now here there are two scenarios, for first of all for a single company and second one for the multi companies, all right. So right now we have configured the single company scenario over here, but when there are multi company scenarios, then after enabling the Odoo based multi company scenario, right, then you will be able to see multi companies over here. And just like the same record, you can create multiple records for a multiple company supporting by Odoo. All right, so let's proceed ahead. Here I have defined for which company I need these Xero account configurations, right. And here we will define the account type, right. So here from the Xero side, there it is supporting there are two types of accounts. There is, first of all, it will be the public and the private, all right. Now here we have configured it for the private account, right, and here we have made it active. So when you will select and deselect, these configurations will enable and disable as per the selections, all right. Now here, as you can see that at the private, it is the system is asking for to write the consumer key, consumer secret, and RSA key file, right. So we have configured it by going to the Xero developers links. All right, so as you can see in my third tab, there is my account, this one, and I have already configured my consumer key and the consumer secrets, right. All right, as you can see over here, right, and these credentials I have written it out over here, and in this RSA key file I have to upload the private RSA key file right over here. Okay, and you can also see the instructions over here. Now we will try to configure different kinds of payment journals over here. Then you can see that I have configured in the customer invoices journal, that is customer invoices, and this is the GBP for currency. We have taken account for the UK, United Kingdom, all right. So here we have configured it for the GBP currency, and at the Odoo side also we have configured the database for the GBP currency. Okay, and vendor bill journal, so here we will assign different kinds of journals for GBP that is supported by Odoo. And for the miscellaneous operations, that is the apart part from the customer invoices and vendor bills, we have configured is the journal of miscellaneous operations, and all this will support in the GBP currencies. All right, so here now the payment journal we have configured here, that will be the bank or cash, that is supported by Odoo. So we will add these journals, bank and bank over here. We'll type the bank, and here default debit account and the credit account we will set the here honor a drawings, that is the account. When we'll configure it for the UK, then this kind of accounts are supported by the Xero to make the payment transactions over here, right. Same like that, we have also configured the cash accounts, right, and here we will define that for which company we are defining these accounts. And once again we have taken over here this honor drawings, that is already supported by the payment transactions for Xero. See, one thing you have to note over here, according to various countries selection, there can be different kinds of payment transaction accounts supported by the Xero side, right. So whatever payment transactions account that is supported by the Xero side, according to the different kinds of countries, you have to set those related accounts only, right. So that one thing you have to make considered. All right, now here according to the Xero accounts, we have configured it to the Odoo, that is the owner drawings. We have taken it type bank, as you can see, and here also we have made that default debit account and credit account, and also the Xero account same on our drawings. All right, and on our funds introduced, this account is also supported by the Xero side to make the payment transactions. So this account we have configured over here. All right, now as you can see that tracked category and the untracked category. All right, so here we will add the all track category, right? So see here, there is a little difference between the tracked category and untracked categories. Whatever products that we will define, or whatever product categories that we will define at here Odoo side, and we will make it for this tracked category, then it will manage all kind of inventory and their quantity related process in this tracked category, right? And vice versa, when we will take it in for the untracked category, then their related track will be not get managed, their inventory only will be get managed, but their related quantities and their summary will not be managed by Odoo, right? So that is the basic difference. So here when we will take it for the tracked category, we have taken here as the costing method standard price and inventory valuation as automated. So when we will take it as automated, this stock input account and output account and also stock valuation account will be mandatory over here. So we have to define over here inventory related account. Okay, and of course the stock journal will be supported by the for the GBP currencies. All right, and the vice versa, that is the opposite side, when we will assign it for the untracked kind of category, here we will take it inventory valuation as manual. So when we will take inventory valuation as a manual, then stock input account, output account and valuation account will be not mandatory, right? And it will be not strict to assign it over here. Okay, so here whatever products we will define at the Xero side for the tracked category, right? It will be directly mapped with this tracked category, this tracked product category at the Odoo side. And just for the opposite side, when we will define it for the untracked category, it will directly map to the Odoo side and will define as product category for this untracked category, right? So that's all for these configurations of the Xero. Thank you for watching.